How to scrape Amazon prices at scale. Current price, list price, Buybox price across every marketplace with just one HTTP request per product. No proxies, no captchas, no parsers to maintain. Let me show you how this works and how cheap it actually is to monitor 1,000 products a day. In 3 minutes, you'll sign up, pull one price, compare it across 5 marketplaces, and learn how to monitor 1,000 products every day for under $1. Now, if you've tried tracking Amazon prices yourself, you know the cost. Amazon changes prices around 2.5 million times per day. The Buybox seller rotates by the hour, the price varies by country, by Prime status, even by cookies. Add proxies, captchas, retries, and markup updates to that, and you've got a full-time job, not a feature. Amazon Scraper API gives you a clean REST endpoint that returns every relevant price field for any product. Bearer auth, JSON response, current price, list price, Buybox price, currencies, stock, Prime eligibility, 55 fields total per product across 20 Amazon marketplaces, and you only get charged for successful requests. Quick clarification on the Buybox, since this is where most price scrapers go wrong. When you visit a product page, the price you see is the Buybox price. That's the seller who currently wins the Buy Now button. It rotates between sellers, sometimes multiple times a day. The list price is the original sticker price. The Buybox price is what charges at checkout, and the API gives you both. First, sign up at amazonscraperapi.com. No credit card needed. You get 1,000 free requests immediately. Grab your API key from the dashboard. Now, let's pull a price. It's a GET request to /v1/amazon/product. You pass the ASIN as a query parameter and your key in the authorization header. About 2.5 seconds later, you've got JSON. Here's the part of the response that matters for price monitoring. Current price, list price, Buybox price, and currency, all 3 pricing fields side by side. Stock status, Prime eligibility, and a timestamp on when the scrape ran. And to compare the same product across 5 marketplaces, you just swap the domain, .com for the US, .co.uk for the UK, .de for Germany, same ASIN, same call, 5 prices. Now here's where this gets cheap at scale. The batch endpoint takes up to 1,000 ASINs in a single post request. It runs async. You get a webhook callback when it's done, typically 10 minutes for a full batch. At 90 cents per 1,000 requests, monitoring 1,000 products every single day costs you 90 cents a day. That's it. Set it up on a cron job, pipe the webhook into your database, and you've got a price tracker that actually scales. The free tier gives you 1,000 requests to start, and the docs and live playground are at amazonscraperapi.com. Links down in the description.